In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Apple Pay declined error. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your balance and credit limit and make sure that you have enough funds or credits available. If that is not the case, make sure that your card is active and ensure that your card isn't expired, blocked, or reported lost in your bank. You want to simply check for outages as well. Sometimes what happens is Apple Pay might be experiencing issues. Simply go ahead and check the Apple system status, and that should go ahead and fix your problem. If not, you want to go to the settings, general, and then system update, and make sure that you are updated to the latest iOS version. Also check your internet connection. Apple Pay needs a stable internet connection to process payments. Once you've done that, you could also try to use some different POS by asking the cashier, or you could also try removing and re-adding your card. If none of it works, simply call your bank and restart your phone. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.